Hi guys, today in this video I'm about to show you guys how to fix Monoplus sound settings. So yeah guys, let's just start video. It's a very easy guide, so see this video. And then so first off, what do you need? You need just open your settings. If you have Android and iPhone, so both mobile are similar, so you can find apps on your mobile. So now here is my Monopoly app in my settings. Tap on it and then simply tap on notifications, and then you can enable this notification if you have not. So go back and simply you can tap on search, and you can tap on notification bar and or allow notification. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. That's it. See you in the next video guys. Bye.